3, 2, 1. Are you buying Bitcoin? Are you a Bitcoin investor? Well, there's a lot of exciting things going on with Bitcoin these days. So that's what this video is about. Let's jump in and have a look. Hello everyone, this is Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com. That is my website you see on the screen there, where you can go to find out more about trading on the foreign exchange market. But in this video, what we're going to look at is Bitcoin, specifically Bitcoin today. And the latest news is, actually this is old news, Bitcoin hit $50,000. It happened a couple of days ago, and this is what we've been waiting for, and it seems that the sky is the limit. But what I want to look at in this video, we'll look back at the charts that I shared with you a couple of weeks ago, and here's the first one. This is Bitcoin on the one-day chart, and you can see I was talking about 38,000. Looked like it was going to be our low for this time period, and it did turn out that was support, and it did stop there at 38,000. This all happened after the what we call buy the rumor and sell the news. There was that big build-up before the ETFs were finally approved on the New York Stock Exchange, which happened several weeks ago, and then we saw some profit taking, and we saw the price dropping, and everybody was a little bit concerned, and we were looking at this 2 weeks ago. And I said that it looked like 38,000 was our low. And it did turn out that that was the low because since that time, we've done nothing but go up. We had a little bit of consolidation a couple of weeks ago, just after that low was hit. But in the last, 8 trading days, Bitcoin has moved up nearly $10,000. Amazing, unbelievable. From the 7th of February to the 15th of February, and that's where we are right now as I'm making this video. Are we going to see a pullback, a retracement? That blue line there is 50,000, so we've gone well above that, now trading above 52,000. But will we see a pullback, a retracement, a correction? That does happen, all right? So putting our Fibonacci lines on here, which show us support and resistance. And we can see that if we should do a pullback, have a correction, then the lowest that we're likely to go is that first level of support, which is the 0.382 level on the Fibonacci lines, and that's around 48,000. So that was resistance, as we had a 2-day consolidation there, and then that resistance became support. So support, the next level of support is around 48,000. If we should see a retracement, that should be about as low as we would go. But we could just keep seeing higher highs. There appears to be no limit. There are more buyers coming in, more global acceptance of Bitcoin, and so we're seeing a continuing rise in the price of Bitcoin. So are you buying Bitcoin? Okay, this is a video I made a couple of weeks ago. I encourage you that if you want to buy Bitcoin, you can invest by DCA, which is dollar cost averaging. If you don't have the budget to buy big, that's fine. $50 a week, $50 a month, and over time you will build up your capital and you'll have a good investment in Bitcoin. And you can do that DCA, dollar cost averaging, with any hot wallet. These are some that I use: Trust Wallet, Zengo, MetaMask. But remember, these are not self-custody wallets. You do not have complete control of the Bitcoin that is stored in these wallets. These are exchanges. So I highly recommend that if you start accumulating a substantial amount of Bitcoin, you go for self-custody, and that is by using a crypto cold wallet. And the one that I use and recommend is Tangem, which is the latest and greatest. State-of-the-art, has the best security available in these days. And if you want to get the Tangem card, just use my code below this video, which I'll provide the link for you, and you can get a 10% discount. And by the way, I just got an email a couple of days ago that Tangem has released a limited edition white card. The one you see on the screen there is the one that I bought. That's the original card, but they have just released a limited edition white card. So if you want to grab that, just go to the link below, use the code that I've provided there, and you can get a 10% discount. And if you want more about how to buy crypto and how to use hot wallets and cold wallets, There's the video there that I set up a few weeks back that will describe everything for you and take you through the steps of how to set up your crypto wallets. And I will provide a link for that below this video also. But if you're a really total beginner and you want to get the most that you can out of how to get started with buying cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, this is the lady to watch, Crypto Casey. She is the foremost authority on everything crypto, and I will provide the link to her YouTube channel below this video. All right, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like, love, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you again next time. This is Rick Ray, signing off.